In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos with Google Gemini. Imagine no longer needing a big film crew or extensive video editing skills to bring your ideas to life. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. First things first, you'll need to open Google Gemini. It's like opening a door to a fascinating world where your creative visions can easily become a reality. Just navigate to the Gemini site or app and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's quite straightforward and user-friendly, which makes the process more enjoyable. Once inside, the next step is to choose the video mode. In this mode, Gemini transitions from its general AI capabilities to focus specifically on video creation. This dedicated mode ensures you have all the necessary tools and functionalities tailored to producing videos with elegance and flair. Now comes the part that taps into your creativity, typing a prompt that describes the scene you want. This is essentially where you tell Gemini what you envision. Whether you're crafting a serene beach scene or a bustling cityscape, your prompt is like a script for Gemini to interpret. Be as vivid and descriptive as possible to help the AI grasp your concept accurately. Next, set any extra details. This could include mood settings, specific colors, or particular elements you want to stand out in your video. By adjusting these details, you're fine-tuning your production to ensure it meets your expectations. This customization is a significant advantage, allowing your video to truly reflect your original idea. Once you've set everything up, it's time to submit the generation. This is where the magic happens. Just click Submit, and Gemini will start processing your input. Depending on your content and additional details, processing might take a little time, so patience is key here. While you wait, consider it a little suspense as you anticipate seeing your thoughts come to life. After the AI has processed your request, it's crucial to review the video. This is your opportunity to assess its quality and whether it aligns with your vision. Sometimes, the video might need a bit of refining, perhaps adjusting the timing of certain scenes or tweaking the emphasis on specific elements. Don't hesitate to make these changes as they ensure the final product meets your standards. Finally, once satisfied with your creation, you can download or share the video. This step is integral if you're eager to showcase your work to an audience. Whether it's for personal enjoyment or a broader public display, sharing your video allows others to experience the creative journey along with you. That's it. You've just created an AI video using Google Gemini, all within a matter of minutes. It's an innovative and accessible way to let your creativity shine, making high-quality video production easier than ever before. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy making many more amazing videos.